Introduction to Green Building Sun Life Center. Sustainable design. Energy efficient architecture and design. The building incorporates passive design strategies such as natural ventilation and daylighting to minimize energy consumption and reduce environmental impact. Use of eco-friendly materials. Construction materials like recycled steel, sustainable source wood, and low-emission paints are used to promote environmental sustainability and indoor air quality. Green roof and landscaping. The building features a green roof with the native vegetation, which helps reduce the urban heat island effects and stormwater runoff, while providing a habitat for local wildlife. Wellness and comfort. Biophilic design elements. Incorporating natural elements like water features, plants, and natural materials to enhance occupant well-being, productivity, and connection to nature. Enhance indoor air quality. Advanced air filtration systems and low-emission materials contribute to a healthy indoor environment, reducing the risk of respiratory issues and improving overall comfort. Access to natural light. Ample use of windows and light wells to maximize daylight penetration, creating a bright and an uplifting interior environment for occupants. Community engagement. Public green spaces. The building provides open green spaces and pedestrian-friendly pathways, encouraging community gatherings, social interaction, and a sense of place. Educational initiatives. Hosting sustainability workshops, environmental awareness programs, and green building tours to engage and educate the local community on sustainability practices. Collaboration with local business. Partnering with nearby business to promote sustainable practices, support local economies, and foster a sense of shared environmental responsibility.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Danny Remedios. I'm going to report sunlight innovative design. Modern architecture elements. The sunlight century boasts a modern design with sleek architecture element, create, creating a visually appealing and contemporary workplace environment. Number two, natural light integration. The design incorporates amply natural light, fostering a bright and uplifting atmosphere while reducing energy consumption. Number three, flexible workplace layout. The interior design offers flexibility to accommodate various work styles and promotes collaboration among occupants. Energy efficient systems. The sunlight century integrates energy efficient system and technologies to maximize its environmental footprint and reduce operating costs. Green Building Certification. The building has obtained prestigious green certification reflecting its commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Waste management initiatives. The Sintri implements effective waste management initiatives contributing to greener and more sustainable operational approach.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kinis Junior. We're going to this report. It's all about Sunlight Sentry Tagway. Sustainability feature of the Sunlight Sentry. Energy efficiency. Passive design to optimize natural lighting and ventilation. The building incorporate passive design strategies to maximize natural light and airflow, reducing the need for artificial lighting and mechanical ventilation. High efficiency HVAC system and energy saving technologies. The Sunlight Sentry utilize high efficiency system and energy saving technologies to minimize energy consumption and reduce its environmental impact. Integration of renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources such as solar panel and wind turbine are integrated into the building's design to generate clean and sustainable power. Water composition. Number 1. Rainwater harvesting and water recycling. The building implement rainwater harvesting system and water recycling to minimize water use and promote sustainable water management. Second, low flow picture and efficient integration system. Low flow figures and efficient irrigation system are installed to reduce water consumption and support responsible water use within the Sunlight Center. Water efficient landscaping and green roof design. The landscaping feature water efficient plant and the green roof design help to reduce stormwater turnoff and promote biodiversity within the urban environment.
Material sustainability. Use the recycled and locally sourced materials. The construction component recycled materials and locally sourced reduced to minimize environmental impact and support sustainable materials practices. Emphasize on sustainable building materials and certification. The Sunlight centralized prioritize the use sustainable building materials and pursues certifications as a lead assured as responsible to eco-friendly construction, water, waste, reduce and cycle identities. Effort are made to minimize waste generation during the construction, promote recycling of materials, contributing to a more sustainable and environmental conscious building process. Benefit and impact of green building on the community. Economic benefits. job creation and economic growth. Green building stimulate job creation and economic growth through the construction, operation, and maintenance of sustainability in infrastructure, cost saving, and value. They offer a cost saving for the occupants and owners while also increasing the productive value and reducing operational expense. Local economic development. Green building promote local economic development by supporting green technology, industrial and local business. Reduce resources efficiency. They optimize reduce use to leading and reducing energy and water consumption. Thus benefit the community and the environment. That's all.
Good afternoon, sir. Para si Kinyan Islamic. Muna ang last ng awasawan. Environment benefits. Energy efficiency. Green buildings reduce energy consumptions and greenhouse gas emission leading to a lighter and more sustainable environment. Water conservation. They promote water conservation and produce water pollution, thus safe regarding the community's water resources. Biodiversity prevention. High preservation. They support biodiversity preservation by incorporating green space, vegetation, and sustainable landscaping. Waste reduction. Green buildings minimize waste generation and promote recycling, contribution to a clearer and healthier community. Urban development benefits. Sustainable urban planning. Greenhouse buildings contribute to sustainable urban planning, create resilient and livable urban environments. Public infrastructures and enhancement. The enhance public infrastructure with green technologies improvement the overall quality of urban space. Resilience communicates contribute to building resilient communicates by integrating sustainable infrastructure and design principles. Smart and green cities. Green buildings are integral to the development of smart and green cities, fostering innovation and sustainable growth. That's all, sir. Thank you.